Hello everyone. In this video we will learn 10 most usable shortcut keys to save your time and work fast. So let's get started. The first shortcut key is that to apply all border on your data. For example, you have the data and you would like to apply all border on your data. Select first of all your data, then press Alt, after Alt H, after that B, after that A. See it? All border has applied on your data. So this was the first shortcut key in MS Excel. Let's move to the second one. The second one is create chart. For example, you have the data. First of all, I will write some data. So the second shortcut key is Alt plus F1 to create chart. For example, let's select our data. We would like to create a chart first. Press Alt plus F1. So after pressing it, see the chart has generated. You can customize it right now. Just move and drag wherever you want. So it was all about the second one, to create a chart. Now let's move to the third one, which is increase formula bar. For example, you would like to increase the size of this formula bar. So we will press Ctrl plus Shift plus U. Ctrl plus Shift plus U. See, the formula bar size has increased. Ctrl Shift U back, that has decreased. Now let's move to the fourth one. The fourth one is to zoom. For example, you have written something, and you would like to zoom your data. So to zoom it, for that we have Alt plus V plus Z. Alt plus V plus Z. So custom view, Alt plus V plus Z. So the zoom menu has appeared for us. See, Alt, first of all press Alt, then press V, then press Z. So see, zoom it for example 200. Let's press OK. See, that has removed. Alt V Z and make it 100 again. So it was for the zoom shortcut key. Now let's move to the fifth one, which is strike through. For example, you have written something here and you would like to strike through it, means a line at the middle of it. So for that, press Control 5, Control plus 5, Control plus 5. See, a line has become in the middle of word. Again press Control 5, that has removed. Now let's move to the sixth one, which is a shift. For example, this sixth sheet you would like to move it to, for example, to the end. So for that we will press Alt plus E plus M. Alt plus E plus M. So after pressing that, now let's check it where you would like to move it. In book 1. In the book 1 I would like to move, for example, at the end or the tin or an end, wherever you want. Let's move it to the end. Press OK. See, that has came to the end. This is the sixth one. Let's move it back. Alt E M. Let's move it to the instead of 7th. Press OK. So that has shifted back here instead of 7th. Now let's move to the 7th one, which is F4. For example, you did something like this one, and you applied a color, background color on this. You would like to repeat this action again. So to repeat that action, press F4. See, the color has changed. The last action that you has performed, that will be done again. Now let's move to the 8th one, which is to fill right sound. It means to fill right side. For that, let's, for example, write something. You would like to fill the right side, the row also like this. The same value as you have selected. So for that we have the shortcut, which is Control plus R. Let's select, for example, this area. Control plus R. See, the area has filled. And also let's move to the 9th one, which is down fill. It will fill the area down. Select the area, press Control D. See, that has filled down. Let's move to the last one, which is to move to the last column and last row. For example, you want to move to the last column at the right side. For that, Control plus right arrow key. See, we came to the last column. Also, if you would like to move to the end of this sheet, it means that the last row. For that, Control plus down arrow key. See, we came to the end one, and how much is that? The end row. So it was all about the most usable shortcut keys in MS Excel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.